Hello?
Hello, I am calling from Family Dentistry. Is this Lonnie's?
Yeah, how can I help you?
It is a pleasure to speak with you. First and foremost, my name is Rolando.
Yeah, is this about my appointment tomorrow?
Jace, I'm calling to confirm your appointment for tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Yes, that is correct.
Very good. I see this is your first time visiting us as well.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, it is.
Well, I believe the first time should always be special. Don't you agree?
I guess so.
Jace. I was hoping you would say Jace. May I ask, how did you hear about us?
I was referred by a friend of mine named Jane.
Oh, Jace, Jane. I know her mouth so well, almost more intimately than my own.
Okay.
So because you have never been here before, let me tell you what to expect.
Yeah, well, it's already a lot different than my other dentist.
Oh, well, we are the best. For example, when you walk through the door, I, Rolando, will embrace you and whisper into your ear, do you have any problems with your mouth that I can assist you with?
So, like, you're gonna hug me? You're gonna touch me? You're just a front desk person, right?
Jace, but as someone who will be intimately familiar with your dental chart, I am required to know everything about what happens inside of your mouth.
This is a little weird, I'm not gonna lie.
Let us start from the simple beginnings, okay? How are those beautiful pearly whites doing right now?
I mean, they're fine. I just need a cleaning, just like your average yearly cleaning.
Oh, someone has a dirty mouth.
Okay, you know
I
what?
did not expect that coming from you.
Is there someone else I could talk to about this appointment? I'm not gonna lie, you're kind of weirding me out a bit.
Oh, my apologize. Rolando might be getting ahead of himself a little bit. I never asked you to describe your tongue. It is very
What?
You know, your mouth muscle, your lollipop liquor, your tongue. Or maybe it has slipped from Rolando's mind and I have asked you that question already.
No, you haven't asked me that. As a matter of fact, no one has ever asked me that. That is a completely weird question.
We need to know. What are we working with? Can you do the hot dog roll or can you make it into the lover's clover?
Okay, you know what?
Can you roll your R's?
Can you...
Roll your R for me, please.
Is there a manager I could speak to? This is bordering very inappropriate.
By the way, if you ever feel uncomfortable in the chair or anything like that, you can always do is simply call out for me, Rolando, Rolando, Rolando!
Okay, look, bro.
And I will come running.
Look,
I am at the front desk, this is why, like 2 feet away.
I need to hang up the phone right now. I'm going to call up Jane. This is a very different experience than what I thought it was. I was just trying to get dental
I am
clean.
so surprised. I spoke to Jane. She told me you would love it here, and you would also love the prank phone call on Brooke and Heffrey in La Mañana.
Yeah, look, I don't... Wait. What did you just say?
La Mañana, it means the morning.
No.
You're not on the dentist's office phone. You're on the radio, actually.
Oh, my God. I was like, what is going on?
I was trying to ask you what was going on with your mouth and your tongue. You are very difficult to work with.
When you were sitting there like, call my name, Rolando, Rolando.
I knew it. You can roll your R's. Let me hear it.